Your time is extremely valuable, and so is your Ford. Thanks to Sam Leman Ford's all-new mobile service, you don't have to choose between the two. Getting service on your vehicle is now easier than ever. Let us come to you for your routine maintenance. At zero additional cost, our certified technicians are ready to service your Ford at your home or office whenever it works for you. We'll come to you, service your vehicle, and be on our way so you can get back to your day in no time. Get the same quality service you expect at the dealership on qualified recalls, battery replacement, software updates, and more, all in the convenience of your driveway or garage. Contact us to schedule Sam Leman Ford's mobile service today.
We look forward to servicing you. Wherever you are, we'll meet you there.